How to change language on RedNote app. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to change language on RedNote app, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open a RedNote app. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find different navigation options. So on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find this option, Me. So tap on it. You can also tap the subscribe button if you want. And here in the middle of your screen, you will find this settings icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this page. So here tap on general settings. Now here on top of your screen, you will find this option languages. So tap on it. And here you can find all the languages available on RedNote app. So simply select any language that you want. As of now, these are the only 3 languages available on RedNote app. So select any of them and then tap on save icon located on top right hand side of your screen. So this is all you need to do to change language on RedNote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.